Do you have a product or service that you're trying to sell on social media? Then this is the right video for you, because I'm going to share 5 most common mistakes I see brands making on social media. Let's start. Number 1, only selling. Most of the brands, not most of the brands, but like I've seen many brands make this mistake where if you just go to their feed, they're just selling their product or their service. They're just talking about themselves. If a new person wants to come to their page, why would they care? Yes, you have to market about your product, but not all the time. You have to make sure you follow a certain ratio where you are selling and where you are educating educating the audience about the product. Educating your audience, why do you exist? In every post, if you're doing just selling, and it's not gonna work out. If you're selling yourself, if you're promoting your services in 1 out of the 3 posts that you make on social media, that's a very good strategy. But don't try to don't try to make every post just about you. Okay. Number 2, not showing your product or packaging. See, packaging matters a lot in in today's time if you are selling a B2B product. And even if you are selling a digital service, then how you package yourself matters, how you're branding yourself. You show them some work testimonials that work as your packaging. If you're selling a B2B product, if you're selling a physical product, then you know what packaging is. But if you're selling a digital service, then packaging matters even then. Okay. So suppose you are a digital marketer and you want to show packaging of your product to the people. So what would you do? You can create an ebook, you can package it nicely, you can just design a good digital cover, you can design a good portfolio, and that portfolio is your packaging, that portfolio is your product. You have to just present it nicely to the public. Number 3, not engaging enough. This is the topmost mistake brands make on social media, not engaging well with their audience. You're just posting, okay, so you heard on some social media account that you have to make post every day, and you just keep posting, you're just scheduling some post, you're making the post, but what happens after the post? You're not engaging with your audience, you're not seeing who's commenting on them. This happened with me personally. I was almost about to make a purchase with a new brand, but I had a very small query and I DM'd them, I commented on their feed, but they did not respond for 3 to 4 days. And eventually what happened, I found another brand which was selling almost the same product, and I made a purchase, right? So customer engagement is very, very important part. If you're not engaging with your customers on social media, then it's not gonna work. The 4th mistake is ignoring platforms. Today's time, a social media report says even one person is there who will say that I exist only on one social media platform. So you have to go out everywhere. You have to see where your audience is. If your audience is on Instagram, go there. But see which part of your audience is also on Twitter. See which part of your audience is also on LinkedIn. Which part of your audience is also on Facebook. And go and make a multi-channel marketing strategy. Okay. See how you can incorporate LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok, not every platform. I won't suggest you to go to every platform from the starting, but make sure how you can include at least 2 to 3 channels in your marketing strategy. Okay. And an easy way to go around that is start with 2 platforms. One, the platform you are most comfortable with, and second, the platform you think most of your audience is on. Okay. And if both of them are same, then add a new channel that you have to learn about. The 5th mistake is poor imagery. Okay, we have to accept the fact that we are living in 2022. Now there are tons of tools, very easy and free of cost tools, where you can just go and spend 1 hour and learn how to design a very good creative. Okay, or if you are an established brand, you can just hire a freelancer, you can hire a person, hire a designer, and get your post designed from them. Okay, so be consistent around your brand, make really good creatives. In this time, people cannot afford bad imagery. Suppose you have a very interesting copy, you write a very good caption, you have a very powerful tagline for your brand, but you just mix it up in a very bad design, and it will absolutely go lost on an Instagram feed or on a LinkedIn feed, whichever platform you're marketing on. A bad design can harm your brand more than anything else. Okay, so just summarizing again, what are the top 5 mistakes brands make on social media? Talking too much about their product or service, only and only selling is the first point. Then not showing their product or packaging, the second point. The um, third point is not engaging well with their customers, not providing good customer experience. And the fourth point is ignoring platforms, not creating a multi-channel marketing strategy and focusing on just one platform. And the last is bad imagery. Okay, drop a note on which of these mistakes do you think your brand is making, or which is the area which your brand can improve on, or is there anything else you're stuck on? Let me know and I'll get back to you on that. Thanks for watching.